One of St. Catherine's most wanted men killed, while cops capture 4 following robbery and murder in porous Manchester.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
4 men are in custody, and an AK-47 rifle is among 3 guns seized by the quick action of the police following a robbery and murder in porous Manchester. 2 people were reportedly killed during the robbery. Reports are that around 7:20 p.m. on Friday, the 4 armed men entered a supermarket on the porous main road and proceeded to rob the premises of an undetermined sum of money. During the robbery, the men reportedly opened fire, hitting 3 people. Reports indicate 2 of the people shot later succumbed to their injuries. The police were notified of the incident, and through their quick actions, a roadblock was set up. According to reports, the robbers were intercepted in the Williamsfield section of the parish, where an AK-47 rifle was seized. In addition, 2 handguns, several rounds of ammunition, and a ballistic vest were seized. Criminals have been targeting small businesses in central Jamaica in recent weeks. Earlier this week, several videos went viral on social media depicting several robberies in Manchester and St. Elizabeth. One of St. Catherine's most wanted men, Barrington Coolie Campbell, was shot and killed by cops in the Riversdale area of the parish on Friday night, December 9th. It is reported that about 11 p.m., Campbell opened fire on a police team which was attempting to apprehend him along the Riversdale main road. One of the police officers was hit. The lawmen returned fire and Campbell was shot. Campbell and the injured policeman were taken to hospital, where Campbell died and the cop was admitted. His condition is not known at this time. A Smith & Wesson gun with several rounds of ammunition was allegedly taken from the 32-year-old Campbell, who was wanted for a shooting with intent. The police said he frequented Big Lane in Central Village.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!